My name is Malte Schoch. I'm a principal product manager here at Quest, and I'm the global lead for the on-demand migration platform. Well, the biggest challenge we see for customers is the fact when you migrate the device to Entra ID, you have to reset it. Meaning when the user signs in Monday morning or after the migration into their device, all of the profile is empty, configuration settings. And this really means that organizations, they have to reconfigure the device or restore the settings. And this is a massive challenge for them because, first of all, it takes a lot of time. But also, if you want to do this at scale, meaning you have to do this for a few hundreds or thousands of workstations or users, it becomes very, very challenging for organizations. So with our on-demand migration solution, we help customers to move the device to Entra ID. And our benefit is that we can maintain all the profile and all the settings. So when the user signs in after the migration to their workstation, everything is exactly the same for them, but their device is now in Entra ID. But we also help customers when it comes to tenant-to-tenant migration. It is important that the device gets disconnected from the source. We clean up all the Intune and autopilot configuration on the device. So when it gets connected to the target, then it can be fully managed by Intune there.